Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me again, Modernism Official. Today video is on about heavy dupatta with plain suit. A heavy dupatta paired with a plain suit creates a balanced and elegant and aesthetic ensemble. The contrast between the simplicity of the suit and the opulence of the dupatta adds a touch of sophistication to the overall look. The plain suit serves as a canvas, allowing the heavy dupatta to take center stage and become a focal point of the outfit. The heavy dupatta can feature intricate embroidery, embellishment, or rich fabric, elevating the entire ensemble. This combination is versatile, suitable for the various occasions ranging from the festival celebrations to formal events. The understand elegance of the plain suit, providing a perfect background drop for showcasing the detailed craftsmanship and the vibrant colors of the dupatta. The heavy dupatta can be draped in different styles, enhancing the overall aesthetic of the outfit. It's not only a add of a layer modesty, but also brings a traditional and culture vibe to be assembled. The choice of colors and patterns is a dupatta can be personalized based on individual preferences and the nature of the occasion. This fusion of a plain suit with a heavy dupatta allows for creativity and customization, making it a good choice for those who appreciate both simplicity and extra elegance in the traditional attire. Whether attending a wedding, culture event, or a festive gathering, the combination strikes the perfect balance between traditional and contemporary style. A heavy dupatta paired with a plain suit can effortlessly elevate your overall look, adding a touch of elegance and charm. The simplicity and opulence creates a striking balance, making it a popular choice for various occasions. The plain suit serves a versatile canvas, allowing the heavy dupatta to take in center stage that blend traditional of the contemporary style is appreciated. The choice of a fabric of the dupatta can be further enhance the overall appeal. So this is my today's video. We might in next video. Allah Hafiz.